Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to turn off red underlines in Word. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open a Word document. As you can see, I have a misspelled word with a red line underneath indicating that there is an error in my writing. To avoid this, we simply need to click on the file option and then scroll down to the options button. In the window that appears, we will select the proofing option and then uncheck the boxes for check spelling as you type and mark grammatical errors as you type. We click OK, and now, as you can see, the text on the screen no longer has any red lines. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.